Imagine now they want to come.
As you can see, guys, on the video, Xolani Foundation was marching to Moja Love Offices to demand the presenter Xolani Sizokuthola ukuthi ke abuyiswe back kwi Moja Love ne program yakhe ethi Sizokuthola la dila khona ke nama drug dealers abantu ke abadayisa ama drugs. What we don't know, guys, ukuthi ke ishow yakhe yastopwa because of the incident yokuthi kwashona I drug dealer ngesikhathi ke kushuthwa enye yama episode yesizokuthola. Abantu baningi guys, they've been asking ukuthi hayibo why singazi ukuthi ke kunemashe khona, because we would love to support uXolani ngayo yonke indlela, because like guys wenza umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu. Abafowethu, abantwana bethu, obhuti bethu basestradini babhema ama drugs because of these drug dealers abafuna ukuthi ke bona babe rich, babe nemali at the expense of South Africa's future, or at the expense of ikusasa le South Africa. Njengoba ke obhuti bethu abancane guys, uthi umbona umntwana kade impilo yakhe iphumelela, umbona sesestradini ke udayisa ama drugs. So abantu baningi they were asking ukuthi ke why singazi ukuthi ke kunemashe kanjalo, because we love to support that. But ke guys, on the 15th of September 2023 ifoundation ke ithi iya propose ukuthi ke kube khona i-national shutdown to Union Building ukuthi kudemandwe ke ugovernment wethu wase South Africa to give harsher penalties to drug dealers, because guys, as abanye abantu following ama cases lawo kade kuboshwa khona ke ama drug dealers bathola ukuthi ke abantu baphuma ngama bail and they continue nemsebenzi yabo. So ke guys, yeah, that is the story, and we are hoping ke ukuthi ke bazocacisa ukuthi ke ishow kaXolani iyamiswa because of ukushona kwe drug dealer, noma vele yayisiphelile ke useason 2 wakhona. But ke guys, wenza umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu, and we would love to see him back on our screen. Do leave your comment guys below and share with us ukuthi ke ucabanga ukuthi ke le program iyayisiza yini South Africa, noma ke iwusizo yini especially ke kubantwana bethu abasakhulayo. Bye.